Welcome to my channel. Let's see how best we can provide answer to this question 19 WASSCE 2025 February January edition. So a cylindrical drum has a diameter of 36 and 73 centimeter deep. Simply put, the height. We have to calculate the correct to two decimal places, the quantity of oil it can hold. Bear with me, my voice is a little bit rowdy, I'm having chest pain. So let's see how we can be able to do this. In looking at for volume, the quantity of oil it can hold is just describing the volume of the cylinder. Let's make a sketch. We know a cylinder is in this form. Looking out for the depth, that will be 73 centimeter. Diameter is a straight line passing through the center. In this case, we are having 36 centimeter. Half of that should be giving us 18. So that's the radius. So if we have diameter of 36 centimeter, then radius will be 36 divided by what? 2. 18 centimeter. Now by recall, how do we find the volume of what? A cylinder. We know capacity or volume is just pi r square h, or better still, the area of the cross section, which is the base, times the height. The area of the base and how tall it is, that describes the volume it can contain. So by substitution, we can see that 22/7 is representing the pi. Then the radius in this case will be 18 square, or 18 times 18. Then we have multiplied by height, which is what? 73. This is centimeter times centimeter times centimeter. So centimeter cube. You can see my breath is not that good, but let's hold on it like that. So we are going to multiply all together because of time, and checking that on our calculator. If you multiply all divided by 7, you should be having 7433.85714. That will be in centimeter cube. Alright, now this is the answer. But because we are solving this in conjunction with the question paper, the answers are left in liters. So we need to convert the centimeter cube into what? Liters. So we can say that by conversion, if 1000 centimeter cube give you 1 liter, let me just write the spelling this way. If 1000 is giving 1 liter, then all this, which is bigger than 1000, will give you more than what? 1 liter. So if more, let's divide. So we have then 7433485714 will be more. So if more, let's divide. So we are having 74334.85714 divided by 1000 centimeter cube times 1 word liter. You know this is 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3. That will be 74.348. Let me just say 6. Remember, we are leaving our answer in what? 2 decimal places. So this give you final answer will be 74.33 liters. So if you check on the question paper, we are not having the answers in centimeter cube, but it is in what? Liters. Again, this is clear. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe. And don't forget to say a prayer for me.